I want to focus on one of these in particular because it presents a really big challenge compared to some other spaces when we actually talk about adding conferencing technology to spaces that normally didn't have conferencing technology a handful of years ago, and that's combinable spaces. So if you take a room or a number of rooms that can be combined with air walls, in the traditional days of old ballroom combining, that's not such a difficult thing. You have a handful of ins and a handful of outs, and when you combine them, your DSP or whatever your audio management system is just combining those ins and combining those outs. But when we look at conference rooms, it is a much more complex task. We have to deal with the fact that most conference rooms use automatic microphone mixers. Well, how do you combine those? How do you set the presets? How do you make those automatic mic mixers work together when rooms are combined? And how do you manage all the routing in terms of AEC references? And how do you manage all of the routing in terms of far ends and even near ends? And which room do you control the conference from? These are all significant challenges, and I purposely am putting up an eye chart that should look really daunting and uncomfortable, because this is what it looks like to manually configure combinable conference rooms.